Finding the next big thing is a never-ending quest in the rapidly changing world of cryptocurrencies. Numerous lesser-known projects are hiding in the shadows, just waiting to be discovered, while well-known behemoths like Ethereum dominate the spotlight. Often referred to as undiscovered cryptocurrencies, these hidden gems have the potential to yield enormous returns for investors who spot them early. So let's start with what is a hidden crypto gem. Cryptocurrencies that have not yet achieved broad recognition, but stand out from the competition due to their distinctive features, cutting-edge technology, or solid foundations are known as hidden crypto gems. In comparison to the titans of the industry, these projects typically have modest total values due to their low market capitalizations. But it's their unrealized potential that really makes these hidden gems so alluring. Before their value proposition and usefulness became too strong to ignore, many of the most well-known cryptocurrencies of today were obscure projects that the general public ignored. Okay, now let's look why are hidden gems so attractive. Purchasing undiscovered cryptocurrency treasures can be a thrilling and possibly profitable venture. These projects' market capitalization and trading volume may rise as they acquire traction and draw in additional investors, which could result in sizable returns for initial investors. Furthermore, a lot of hidden gems seek to address pressing issues in society or develop groundbreaking technologies, which makes them alluring investment opportunities for people looking to encourage creative thinking. Now, let's analyze how we can find a hidden crypto gem. Get involved with the crypto community. You can learn a lot about new projects, trends, and advancements that might be overlooked by interacting with like-minded enthusiasts and professionals in the field. Making connections and working together with other enthusiasts can also offer fresh viewpoints and cooperative opportunities, which will improve your capacity to spot possible treasures before they gain widespread recognition. Perform research and exercise due diligence. Doing extensive research and due diligence is essential before purchasing any cryptocurrency in order to evaluate the project's foundations, team, technology, and possible applications. Examine the project's white paper in detail to learn about its objectives, vision, and underlying technology. To assess the project's development and community involvement, look through its website, social media accounts, and development repositories. Determine disruptive potential and distinct value propositions. Give top priority to projects that offer novel answers to pressing problems in the real world or introduce groundbreaking technology. Look for cryptocurrencies with distinctive value propositions, innovative ideas, or access to specialized markets that have the potential to transform established markets or become widely accepted. Examine roadmaps and tokenomics. Examine the supply dynamics of the token, taking into account the rate of inflation, the token issuance schedule, and the supply control mechanisms. Examine the project's roadmap to comprehend its growth trajectory, future plans, and development milestones. Keep an eye on community involvement and early adoption. Pay special attention to initiatives that are attracting early adopters and developing a sizable community. A committed and passionate community increases the likelihood that a project will overcome obstacles and continue to gain traction. Pay attention to market signals and emerging trends. Keep an eye on macroeconomic variables, technological developments, market sentiment, and regulatory modifications that could affect the cryptocurrency landscape. Use market research reports and data analytics tools to learn about investor sentiment and market trends. In conclusion, finding undiscovered cryptocurrency treasures is a journey that calls for endurance, patience, and an acute sense of unrealized potential. Even though there can be significant rewards, there are risks and difficulties along the way to success. Keep in mind that investing in hidden cryptocurrency gems is not a quick fix. It calls for a long-term outlook, a readiness to grow and change, and a thorough comprehension of the risks. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.